how to use Wix for website building. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Wix for website building. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do first is to just simply search up for Wix on your web browser, and then just simply click on the first link that will pop up. So if you don't have an account yet, just click on get started. There you go, and then from here in signing up, you can either continue with your email right here, or you could just continue with your Google account or Facebook account. So for me, I'll just continue with my Google account. There you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you for your phone number, but you could just skip that and then just simply wait for everything to load. And then there you go, we are now here in Wix. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do first is to create a site. So to create a site, just simply click on create new site right here on the top right. There you go. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here. So in this section, Wix has an AI that will help you or aid you in making up your website, so you can do that. So if you want to do that, just simply click on start chat, but if you want to skip all of that, you can just simply set it up without chat. So for this video, this will be somewhat of an in-depth guide on how to use Wix without the AI, so I'll just set it up without chat. So just click on that, and then there you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you what type of website do you want to create. So at the bottom right here, it has some examples on the kinds of websites that you can create right here, like an online store, a portfolio, a blog, a consultant, technology company, a restaurant, event, and a lot more. So if you want to, or if you have like any other business or site types right here, you can just simply input them right here just by typing here. So yeah, so as an example, I'll just create a blog right here. There you go, blog, click on continue. There you go. Then we'll now start preparing our dashboard. So just wait for that to load. And then here we are now in our dashboard. So as you can see, this window will pop up. It will ask you enter the name of your site. So I'll just name it as my blog 123, something like that. Continue. And then it will ask you what are the goals for this site: sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, display creative work, and etc. So I'll just choose just explore, continue. Then you can utilize some Wix apps right here, like a blog, so you can write posts to drive traffic and share your ideas. Instagram feed, so you can display your pics and videos from Instagram, forums, and a lot more. Click on continue, and then there you go, you're all set. So let's just continue to our dashboard right here. Okay, so once we're in our dashboard, what we can do is to just simply connect a custom domain. But for now, I'll just skip that. We'll just go to the designing process in Wix. So just simply click on design site right here on the top right. There you go. Wait for it to load, and then there you go. It'll ask you how would you like to design your website. So you can customize a template right here, or just simply pick a template, or you can generate a design with AI, or you can continue without setup for now. So for me, I'll just continue with the template. There you go. And then there you go. So we have a lot of templates right here that we can use for our website. So feel free to choose which kind of template you want to use. So as an example, I'll just choose this. Click on edit. Just wait for it to load. And then there you go. We're now in our website editor. Again, it will ask you if you want to enhance your AI or your content with AI, so you can get personalized content across your entire site by quickly updating your info with more details. So you can add some details right here about your site. So if you want to utilize their AI, you can do so. So yeah, but for me, I'll just skip that. Okay, so in the left side over here, we have our tools. So you can add elements, sections, pages, and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. Okay, so to begin with, let's start with some simple things that everyone should know when using Wix. So when you use a template right here, as you can see that there are a lot of text right here that you want to edit. So to simply do that, just simply click on the text that you want to edit. There you go, double click on it, and there you go, you can now edit out the text right here. So I'll just name it as my blog, and there you go. And then as you can see right here, there's a small window right here that will pop up on the right side. And then in this window, you can change the heading style, the fonts, the font size. You can make it bold, italicize. You can also change the alignment, add bullets, and a lot more text settings that you can edit for your website. But for me, I'll just leave it like this as my blog, and there you go. And then if you want to edit images, since this is a blog, to edit images, what you want to do is just simply post. So to do that, what you can do is go to settings right here, and then just view some settings right here that you can edit for your post section right here. So as you can see, It will ask you what do you want to show on your post, so you can show an image of yourself, add a comment counter, a view counter, and a like counter, just like that. Here you go. You can also change the layout right here. It's a classic layout, an editorial layout, a slider layout, a side-by-side layout, magazine, and one column. Then for the design right here, you can change the style, like the text style, the colors. Same goes with the category labels, the ratings, and some video settings. So yeah. So let's try to add some posts right here. So just simply click on manage posts. There you go. And then from here, you can create a new post just like that. Then just simply add the title of your blog. So I'll just name it Apple Blog. There you go. Hello. Something like that. And there you go. So if you want to add some other details to your blog like images, just simply go to the left side over here, go to add, and then from here you can add images, a gallery, videos, GIFs, files, and etc. So for example, I'll just add an image right here. So for example, I'll just choose this. There you go. There are also some other tools right here that you can utilize, like the settings tool, so you can add a featured image right there. So just click on that. Then you can just simply add or upload images right here just by clicking on upload, or you can use some images right here from the stock images from Wix. So for example, I'll just choose this image right here. There you go. Add to page. Then there you go. Then you can add alt text to your post right here. Add a publish date. Add a writer, then excerpt, related posts, and a lot more. And then next is you can also add categories and tags. So feel free to check out these settings. So yeah. Then once you're done customizing your post or blog, just simply click on publish. Then there you go. Great, post has been published. Okay. Then there you go. Then once it's published, you'll see right here in your post section that it's published. You'll also get to see the publish date, the views, the comments, and the likes, categories, and the tags as well. Then if you want to edit it again, just simply click on edit. Then if you want to delete it, just simply click on these three dots right here, move to trash, or you can revert it to draft, duplicate the post, or pin this post. So yeah, you can now exit out of here. There you go. And then when I refreshed my website editor right here, so as you can see that the post is now here. So as you can see in our featured post, we now have our post that we have made just a few seconds ago. So yeah, there you go. Moving on, at the top right here, you can also switch different views. So currently we are in desktop view, and then if you want to switch to the mobile view, just simply click on this phone icon right there, and then just simply wait for it to load into mobile view. And then there you go. We now have our mobile view right here. So yeah, and then from here you can also edit out how your mobile view will look like. So keep in mind, if you're gonna edit stuff in your mobile view, it will not affect the desktop view. Okay, so yep. Next thing is if you want to edit out other pages right here within your website, just simply go to page right here. So currently we are in the home page. So what you can do is edit other pages right here, like your about page. If you want to do that, just simply click on about. And then you'll be redirected here into your about page, and where you can edit out the details of your about page. Same goes with some other pages right here, like my blog. There you go. So as you can see, you can also edit out this page right here, search results as well. There you go. So yeah, there are a lot of pages right here that you can edit out. So yeah, moving on, if you want to add some elements right here to your website, what you can do is just simply click on add elements right here, and then from here you can add different kinds of elements to your website. So in here you can add text, images, buttons, strips, decorative stuff, boxes, galleries, and a lot more. So you can freely choose which kind of elements you want to add to your website. So as an example, I'll just add this social elements right here. So I'll just click on that. And then for example, I just want to use this one right there. So just simply click on it, and then there you go. It will now be added here. So you can just simply put it anywhere you want. So for example, just put it here at the bottom, and then there you go. And then if you want to set the social links right here, just simply click on set social links. Then there you go. Then you can add links right here to every icon within this. So just simply click on the icon you want to add a link to, and then just simply click on this, and then just simply paste in the link of your Instagram page right here. And then let's say you don't want to have like an social right here. So let's say you want to remove this one. I think this is LinkedIn. So if you want to remove that, just simply click on remove image, and there you go. The icon is now done. It's gone. And then once you're done, just simply click on done, and then there you go. So yeah, so that's pretty much on how to add elements right here in your Wix website. Next is if you want to add sections, just simply click on add section, and then from here you can add different kinds of sections to your website. So you can add a welcome, about, a team, a contact section. So yeah, so as an example, Since this page doesn't have a contact section, I'll just add a contact section. So let's say I want to add this one right here. I want to put it here in this section. So just simply drag and drop it. And then there you go. It's now been added. Then again, you can edit out the details right here for the section that you have added. So you can edit out the address right here, the phone number, the email, and some social media links. So yeah, so feel free to add on which kind of section you want to add. Next is we have pages and menus. So in here you can add site menus right here. So you can add a page. There you go. So you can add the blank page, or there's some other template pages right here that you can use, like a services page, a projects page, and a lot more. So yeah, feel free to explore this section out. Next is we have the site design. So in here you can change the color theme of your site right here. So you can change the base colors right here and the accent colors. So if you want to change the color, you simply click on the color that you want to change, and then you simply just change it. There you go. Whoops. There you go. And then once you change the colors, you can see it will now change immediately in your website. But since red looks ugly, I'll just bring it back to white. So yeah. Same goes with the accent colors, so you can change the colors right here. You can also add the hex code right here. So yep. Next is the Wix app market. So in here you can add different kinds of apps or integrate apps right here within your Wix website. So if your website is into sales or selling products, you can add like a Wix AI site chat, Wix stores. So yeah, but since our website is more on blogs, so we have a Wix blog app right here. So this one was already pre-installed once we chose on which kind of website we're going to make. So you really don't need to worry on which or what kind of apps you want to use within your website. So yep. Next is my business. So in here you can create a post right here in your blog. You can also customize the search results right here for your website. Instagram feeds, you can add that widget right there. So you can add this. So you can see when you click on add, it will add this. Follow us on Instagram, and then you can simply just add your @ right here, or you can just simply add a hashtag. So yeah, moving on is the pro gallery, so you can showcase your photos right here. Okay, next is media. So in here you can upload your images right here that you want to use within your website. So if you want to do that, just simply go to upload media right here, or you could just simply get photos or videos from your Facebook account, from your Instagram account, your Google Drive account, or your Google Photos account. They also have a photo studio right here where you can edit your photos, a video maker if you want to create your own videos. And at the bottom right here, Wix also has some stock images and stock videos right here that you can choose. Also some Shutterstock images and Shutterstock videos. And then if you want to search for specific like stock images, stock videos, you can just simply search them right here in the search bar. Then lastly, we have CMS right here. So this one is kind of advanced. So this basically just helps you manage your site content. So you can set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, and collect info from site visitors. So yeah, and then yeah, that's pretty much the basics on how to configure or edit your website on Wix. So it's pretty easy. Just simply click the thing that you want to edit. So for example, if you want to edit text, you simply click on the text you want to edit, and then there will be some tools that will pop up that will allow you to help edit your text. So yeah, and then if you want to change your pages, you simply go right here, switch from pages to pages right here. Then you can also switch to mobile view if you want to. Okay, and then if you want to preview your website, just simply click on preview right here on the top right. There you go. So this is the preview of our website. So yep, then you can also change the preview to mobile view as well. There you go. Okay, so we can now go back to editor right there. Okay, so once you're done and ready to publish your website, just simply click on save. Click on save. There you go. It will ask you to choose a domain for your site. So you can connect your own custom domain or just get a free wix.com domain right there. So for me, I'll just get the free one. And there you go. There you go. Your site is saved. Okay. Let's just switch to desktop view real quick. There you go. And then once you're done and ready to publish your website, just simply click on publish. There you go. So when you click on publish, your website will now go live. And then there you go. Congratulations. Our website is now live. So just simply click on view site, and then it will redirect you to your website right here. So yeah, there you go. So this is our website that we have made by using a template in Wix. So you can see we added our post right here, added sections, added some elements right here like this social media icons. So yep, then if you want to switch from other pages, just simply click on the page. You go. Then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Wix for website building. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.